Hey, it's Austin again. Here we are at another job site. Got the truck here. Juju's getting the trencher going, or the auger going. Customer's getting Douglas fir. It's the type of picket right here. Douglas fir gold stain. It's a bit better than the pine because it's got, as you can see here, the pine right here. See how the rings are pretty wide? So the pine pickets kind of look like that. They got a bit wider rings right here. On the Douglas fir, it's tight. It's tighter. And then if you get cedar, it's even tighter than that, which is why we always recommend cedar because it lasts the longest. It's got certain oils in it that repel certain insects, and the cedar's the best because it goes the longest without bowing or cracking or anything. So we're gonna be putting a fence here, and then all the way down to about right there. There's our master trencher now, master auger Juju over here. Here he is again. We just took a lunch. About to start picketing. They're finishing these rails right here. Let's start the pickets on this side and catch up to them. All right, we're just finishing up. We got the master trencher and the master auger. We got him picketed now. I gotta hand off the torch. He's becoming the master picketer. Here's what it is.